bumper came in. Hell yeah, let's see how it looks. Gonna replace the front grille here, get a more aggressive look. I don't like the front. Looks like braces on a car. I thought about, you know, chrome deleting it, painting it black, but might as well just get a better looking grille, something more aggressive. And I bought one. So just $100, so I mean, it's not bad, it wasn't expensive. I'm already in the process of starting it. Alright guys, just finished installing. About an hour and a half later, sun went down. And I'll just show you guys when the sun comes out in the morning, but looks pretty good. I just need to get some bottom bolts and we're pretty good. Alright, the rain stopped, so it looks dirty, but I really love this new look. Way better. For $100, well worth it. Way better look. It probably took me just 2 hours with the rain and everything, but I recommend it. Way better look. My new mod will probably be tires because they're really bald. Get some 315s. Right now I have 285s. Until next time.